Melania? You know me, Melania.
I don't know
definitely,
you.
yes, you.
I've never dealt with you.
Melania, yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you. Why is she saying that shit so proudly? Why is she saying that shit so proudly like she's a hood star? Like, you know me. Yes, you do. Bitch, you sound crazy. You got 3 kids. You sound like a damn teenager outside right now arguing about some dumb shit that don't even fucking matter. Deploy, sir! Hurry up! She got a runner! A sprinter track star! Yay!
Jesus!
Yay! Run it back!
Did you see like license or anything?
Oh! Don Julio make you like a folio!
Don Julio make you like a folio.
Hello, hey, you talking about how you? Lady, hey, we on the same type of timery. Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Future. We are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people. It's Sunday fun day. Hope you had a great day. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you're taking it nice and easy, man. Got a good work week coming up. Saying so far the weather out here has been great, so I can't complain. Hopefully the weather where you are is also amazing. You know what I'm saying? Sunday fun day. Don't let nobody screw your day up on Sunday, especially Sundays, okay? We're about to tap into a video I got sent. Mom coaches 3 kids to lie to cops mid-arrest, then lose. We got one of them mamas, huh? They're gonna teach your kids how to get killed later on in life. All right, say less. All right, before we tap in this video, man, I'm gonna leave three links down in the first pinned comment section. Make sure you tap in all 3 of those links. I'm not gonna hold you guys up, so get down in the comment section. We gotta check on our meepers, okay? Mandatory, because obviously if somebody's doing something like this, their meepers are in the dumpsters, okay? Not ours. So get down in the comment section 1 through 10. Let me know how you're doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually, okay? We do not want to end up in these situations, and we won't end up in these situations. You gotta speak that shit into existence, okay? Okay, cool.
December 3rd, 2023, officers conducted a traffic stop after observing a woman driving recklessly with 3 young children in the back seat. During the encounter, she told officers she was rushing to meet the children's father for a custody exchange, setting the stage for a tense roadside investigation that quickly raised further concerns about her decision-making behind the wheel.
You driving like that with little babies in the back?
No, sir. I was trying to hurry up get them home because they got school in the morning.
You realize how you're driving with little kids in the car, right?
I was literally dropping them to their dad. I was literally, cause he won't meet me at the freaking.
Step. Come out. Get out of the car.
I will. He won't drop.
Are you kidding me right now though? You have 3 kids in the back.
Come back here.
He won't.
Come back here.
He won't drive me to the MEFE.
Really?
Really?
With little kids in the car.
He won't not drop me right here. He told me if I don't drop him right here, he will not get them. That's the only kids I'll get him to the school. He said he will not advise me to right here until I get them to school tomorrow.
Listen.
You can
come right here.
Hey, listen.
You got a cell phone in there?
Yes. And his mom, hold on. This my hands up. His mom will tell you. She was coming to get them. Me and her was finna meet right here. He will not come get his kids from me.
Okay.
Until I meet him right here. That's it. He will not.
Where's your cell phone?
My cell phone is in the front seat.
Listen
he
to
will
me.
not do that.
You have little kids in the car.
And I understand what you're saying, sir. And I understand what you're saying.
You don't.
I do.
You don't.
Yes, I do, because my son has a benign tumor. My son has a benign tumor.
You're not even...
Baby, okay, first of all, if my baby mom was going to meet me for exchange of the kids and she showed up drunk, I'm automatically getting custody. I'm going to start filming right there, show her being all that. I'm going to antagonize her ass to get her there so they can see everything, and I'm getting my kids. Enough said, okay? The fact that she's going to do that is beyond me. Second of all, she's saying her son had a benign tumor. Motherfucker, I think you meant benign tumor. And I think you the malignant motherfucking tumor. How about that? You are crazy out your mind. 3 little kids and you driving drunk. Probably you feel some type of way about him and your life ain't going the way you want to. Ooh, boo, ooh, boo. Cry me a motherfucking river. You adult. At the end of the day, when you have kids, this shit is no longer about you. It's about the kids. You're clearly a little kid yourself, and you laid up and had spread your legs and had 3 of them, not just 1, 2, 3 of them. And the dads that just wanted some punani, they didn't care about looking into the mom's background, how she was, her family, what kind of mental health she on, just want the nut in something. That's how we get in these type of situations. It's all bad for the kids.
Making any sense?
No, yes I am.
You're not making any sense.
Yes I am.
No, you're not.
Okay, hold on. No, I was
Yeah, you
not.
ain't got no bra
Yes, you
on
were.
either.
No, I was not.
You were.
Sir, with my hands up, my son has a baton tumor. If my kids don't get to right here to meet their grandma, when I don't meet them, I'm going to jail. Why? Because me and my son's dad has a what is it called when you go to jail?
Ma'am, you're making no fucking sense.
No, yes I am.
No, you're not.
Yes I am. When your son, when the parent go military
Restraining order.
custody,
Custody
we have
order?
custody camera between me and Judge, not Ellis. I mean not
Hey.
Ellis. No,
Ma'am.
I'm talking to you. When Judge
Hey, girls. What's
She
what's
got her
dad's name?
seatbelt plugged in and she wasn't even
Maul?
wearing it.
Okay. Kid said
Cause
dad's
you okay?
name's Maul.
okay, hold on.
Oh, he from overseas.
What's your
That's
name?
Don't
why
touch
he's
me,
nutted
please.
in that.
My name's David.
I said, what is the judge name that start with a K?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
No, I
Because
don't.
if you're a cop, you know the judge name that start with a K. I'm not talking to you. Excuse me.
I don't
I'm
know.
scared. I'm talking to you. Yes, you do.
She needs your information.
The
trying to get
the
someone to get
judge
your
name.
kids.
Talk to this
So
officer right
the
here. She's
judge
asking you
name-
questions.
So the judge name that start with a K.
What's mom's name? Shay?
What's her name?
Shay Hetherington? Do not walk
I'm
up on
against
me.
my lawyer.
Do not walk up on me.
Jamal.
Nope.
I'm against my lawyer. Call Jamal. Don't say nothing to them. Don't say nothing to them. If they not your daddy, don't say nothing
Oh my
to
God,
them.
bro.
Do you hear me? Do not say nothing if they not Jamal. Rashard Hetherington. Anytime they ask you something, say, I don't know. If they ask you anything, say, I don't know. If they say, who's your daddy? Jamal Rashard Hetherington. Anything else, say, I don't know. Do you understand? Because you don't have no adult with you. So you going to say, I do not know, because they're not here to help you. They here to take your mama and your daddy to jail. Do you understand? Okay.
Fuck, he gonna
Long
throw the
as you
daddy in
know.
there to go to jail. He
Take him
ain't
to jail.
got nothing to
Go
do
ahead,
with
come
this.
For what?
Whatever you need. What's up? My kid's gonna say what I said was said. What's up? Hold on. Say what I said. Don't say nothing else.
What is your issue?
I don't have no issue.
You do.
I don't, baby. Melonia.
Malonia? Officer Malonia.
Hey, y'all know me at the jail. Come on now. Y'all know me.
That's
Come on,
crazy.
Melonia. You know me, Melonia.
I
You
don't know
definitely,
you.
yes, you.
I've never dealt with you.
Melonia. Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you. Why is she saying that shit so proudly? Why is she saying that shit so proudly like she's a hood star? Like, you know me. Yes, you do. Bitch, you sound crazy. You got 3 kids. You sound like a damn teenager outside right now arguing about some dumb shit that don't even fucking matter.
Last year.
From last year? What happened last year?
Yes. You arrest me.
For what?
My warrant in Texas.
Warrant in Texas?
Yes. Come on, Melonia. I call you Melonia, and I call him my J Bud. Come on.
Don't say she's suspended for.
Oh, we're going to take her for that.
Want to do DUI or just
What I
suspended?
said.
It's up to you. I mean, if we're going to do DUI, it's child endangerment too.
Guys,
I don't care. I mean, between
I'll do
me
it.
and you,
We
we can
can do
probably
it.
knock it out.
All right. Hey, come back over here.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, we
Come
need
on.
to get
Hey,
their
come
we
on.
need to get their father
They
en
won't.
route to
They
pick
won't.
him up.
His father is a felon.
That's what they're called.
His father is a felon.
Okay, how about grandma?
Yeah, we call DCFS.
No, no. We're asking you who.
Hold on. Call DCFS. You talking about?
Michelle.
You talking about they ain't gonna take my kids?
Shay.
Cause guess what? I got my own crib. I got my own. What's up? I don't give a fuck you getting no cop.
Are you?
Yep,
All right, who are you to
I'm
her?
her cousin. I'm her
You're
cousin.
her cousin. Okay, so here's the deal.
Hold on, 1
She's
second.
extremely intoxicated right now.
Hold on, babe. Hold on. I gotta call you back.
She's extremely intoxicated. She's recklessly driving with these babies in the car. Okay.
This the police.
So
this
she-
is Officer D.
Man, just
Mo.
listen
I'm
to what
not
the
gonna
fuck
lie
he's
to you.
saying.
She's about to
Damn.
go to jail.
Yep, I know.
Can you take these kids?
I can.
Okay, let me ask her if we can transfer the kids over to you.
Cause man,
Okay.
Hold on.
My Shay.
My daddy is just as white as you. You can back up all you want to.
My Shay.
Stop acting like you threatened by me. Cause I'm white too. Stop.
Hey.
I don't give a I'm white too. I'm white. Y'all arrest me. Arrest me. I'm white too. I'm white, and y'all can do that too. Because guess what? John is my lawyer. John is my lawyer, and I'm gonna arrest all y'all. So what y'all want to do? So what y'all want to do?
Stop.
So what do you want to do?
Stop.
What do you want to do?
Stop.
Because John is my lawyer, and I will live
Stop.
you up and you up
Stop.
and you up.
My Shay.
So what do you want to do?
Can you speak to
What do you want to do? Ask this.
You're under arrest.
Okay, and I will be. Ask this what he want to do so I can tell my lawyer.
Okay, we're gonna have you have a seat in the car. Come on.
No, I'm asking you.
No.
Sir, don't push me.
Have a seat.
No, I'm not.
Have a seat.
I am.
Have a seat.
I am right here. I am right here. I am right here. But I'm trying to ask you, what is him? Because he's the reason. He's the reason. So
Her family knows she acting like his cousin already knew.
You relax.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, they
If
already
he
know.
get away
Look,
from me.
can you talk to your family member?
Yes, if he get away from me.
Listen.
can you calm down for me?
Yes, if he get away from me.
Listen.
Hold on,
Listen.
shut up. Shut up.
Can
If
your
he-
family
can
crazy
your
too.
kids go with your family member?
Yes.
They can.
If he can get away from me.
Yes, he will stay away.
Please.
He will stay away. What did you What did you
Yes.
take?
My medication.
Okay, did you?
I'm bipolar schizophrenic.
Okay, what?
Oh, yeah,
what's
it
are
shows,
you?
baby.
Were you drinking on it, or what's going on?
I'm
shows.
bipolar schizophrenic. My son has a tumor.
I get you. I hear you.
No, you don't.
I'm listening to you.
No, you don't.
I'm trying to talk to
I
you.
just find out my son has a tumor.
Okay.
So get him the away from me. Get away from me. Get away. Get this away from me that look like him. Please. Get her away from me. Get her away from me.
Listen.
Get her away from me. Get her away from me.
Oh
Behind me. Get her away from me, please. I'm talking to you, but get her away from me because she's taking his side. So get her the away from me.
She's not taking anybody's
Yes,
side.
she is. She just told me, oh, we finna take you to jail. Get her the away from me before I snap the out.
I'm not gonna
Get
snap
her
out no
away
damn
from me. I
hand.
don't give a-
Listen.
Shut up.
Hey, sit down. We on the
I don't give a- That's not my mama. She not my mama. She
Oh, yeah,
not
she's
my
schizophrenic,
mama.
for sure.
She not my mama. I don't give a about her. Get her away from me.
Relax.
How the fuck does she still got the kids? I'm confused. If she got all these mental issues and schizophrenic, bipolar, how the fuck her family let her have kids? She got her mom on the phone. Her cousin got mom on the phone. I don't give a, that's not my mama. I don't claim her. Oh yeah, she got big problems. How the fuck she got the kids? Daddy, how the fuck you letting this girl walk around with your kids? Like, what are you doing, bro? Grow the fuck up and get your kids, Brody. This girl had you, man. You lucky this girl didn't off your damn kids off her bipolar schizophrenic type had an episode and just.
Relax.
Get her
Relax.
behind your partner. Please.
Just
I'm
relax.
begging you.
Just
I'm
listen.
begging you.
Just relax.
I know that, but she took me to jail last time. Please get her away from me. Please.
Okay, we're
Please get her
gonna
away from
get
me.
you in a car and then we're gonna be away from you.
Okay.
Okay.
And y'all can take me to jail. I don't give a f- because I'm gonna find out.
I'll probably end up
But get her
later.
the away from me.
Okay.
Get her the away from me.
Okay.
I beat
You're
her
gonna-
the up.
You're gonna come with me and this officer right here. Okay?
And get
Decker,
her
come on.
away from me.
All right, we're gonna go to his car, so they're gonna be away from
No.
you. Stand up
Who
for
the
me.
f- are you?
Officer Decker, Dad.
Are you the one that arrested me last time?
I am not.
Okay, I will go with y'all.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
I'll help you up.
Yeah, come on, come on.
Ready?
I will go with y'all because I can buy it out.
Okay, come on. Let's
I
go.
have no money. I have all the money to buy it out, but that and that I will beat y'all. Who is you talking about? Them,
Come on. Hey, 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 hey.
Ew.
them, not you. The officers.
Okay, can you calm
The
down?
officers. The officers. I will beat their ass.
Hey,
Them too.
hey,
Them
they're gone.
too right
They're
there.
gone.
I will be
I
there.
heard word from
They're
somebody
gone.
that got
They're gone.
bipolar
Have
and
a-
schizophrenic, boy.
Have a seat, my shit.
No.
Special
gone.
type of officer is gonna require for
They're
that.
gone. They're gone.
No.
Yes.
Y'all don't understand. I've been dealing with this for 3 years with them.
Oh, well, just have a seat.
All
Have a
3
seat.
of them.
Okay.
They've been harassing me.
I get you.
They've been harassing me.
We'll figure it out. Just have a seat.
No, ain't no
Have a
figure
seat.
out because y'all wait 3 hours to put me out of jail.
Just have a
so
seat.
who the f- I need to talk to
Have a
about
seat.
y'all 3 officers harassing me.
We will.
Can you
Who?
just breathe? Take a seat.
No, I can't breathe.
Okay.
I've been a felon for 2 years.
I get you.
I can't breathe. I just had a baby.
Listen.
She is wrong, bro.
You just
Not
had a
over
new
here.
baby?
Bro,
Just have a seat.
she is on the wrong side of the law.
I get you.
She been trying to unlock me for the that whoop my and I just had a baby a month ago from the that just whooped my
Take a seat in the car, okay?
but okay, you can do what you want, my you can do what you want. Go ahead. You could tighten it up. You can do what you want. He has a tumor.
We need you to have a seat.
He has a tumor.
Listen, we need you to have a seat.
No, he has a tumor.
I hear you.
No, he
We need you to
has
just have a
tumor.
seat and compose yourself.
No, he has a tumor. I can't. I never had a child that had a tumor. So no.
I get you. Well, we need you to compose yourself. How are you gonna take care of him if you got to be composed yourself?
No, because I'm
Yeah.
a felon. And I have
That has nothing to do with you being able to take care of him.
He has
Alright.
a tumor.
Right now,
I
we
get
gotta
you.
do what we gotta do.
No, you don't have to do what you gotta do.
Can you
Nothing
take a
because
seat?
you let his daddy with a mother 13 felonies go past you. So I'm not trying to hear none of that.
I
Crazy,
think I'm just gonna
bro.
have to come through.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, y'all did. Putting me in.
JCDC or the hospital?
I don't know if she's on alcohol. She said she's bipolar schizophrenic. I don't know if she's on some other things. I couldn't smell any alcohol.
She's not gonna blow.
She's not. I mean, she's suspended for DUI. Just take her on suspended.
Yeah, you suspended. Make sure you write out tickets for the kids.
The only thing is our thing doesn't do tickets.
The woman was arrested and charged with causing a child to be endangered and driving on a suspended license.
Man, that shit crazy, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I really hope she gets help, and I really hope those kids get in a better situation, because if they grow up in that type of environment, you already know what type of time they're gonna be on. And their mom is telling them don't listen to police officers, and hopefully they don't get her mental issues that she got. This could be a generational thing. So hopefully the cousins come through, the family comes through, and raise those kids a little bit better, and send her off to get help for multiples of years. You know what I'm saying? Like, and she got to be on medication the rest of her life because she's bipolar schizophrenic. So that's a forever thing. So she got to go get her meeps in order, her mental check, and she got to come back and do better for her kids, baby. Because if you cared about your kids, you do anything for them. And that includes getting your life together and to be the best mother that you could possibly be for them. Because, like I said, once you got kids, it's no longer about you; it's about the kids. If you really gave a fuck about the kids, you do anything, you'll go put yourself in treatment and say, I got to do better for my kids. You would take full accountability. Mom, can you watch my kids? Or cousin, can you watch my kids until I get out of this treatment? I really got to go do this. I know I fucked up. I'm wrong, but whoop. Until then, it's going to be a forever thing until somebody steps in and do what they need to do. Dab down in the comment section. It's your boy, Foosh Nigga, man. Thank you guys for keep on sending me these videos. Especially the different type of videos where we can have these conversations at the end. You know what I'm saying? To give our opinions on them. Right, wrong, or indifferent. Nobody's wrong. And it's just real life shit. You know what I mean? Especially when it comes to kids. Keep on doing what y'all do. Follow me on Instagram. Fooshnicka_ENT. Follow me on Snapchat. Fooshnicka. Okay? At Fooshnicka. Make sure you hit those 3 links down in the first pinned comment section. Let's do what we do. Let's keep on turning up. Welcome all the new family members. I see y'all in the comment section. Thank y'all for joining one of the best families and communities on YouTube. Guaranteed. Nobody interacts the way we interact with our people. Nobody shows love the way we show love to our people. That's a fact, Jack. Prove me wrong. It's your boy Foosh Nigga. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, which I'm about to do in 2 and 2. I'm out.